Yo, Kai, can you shut the fuck up, you dumbass bitch?
Yo,
Deadass, why the fuck you still? Why you on hush mode, dumbass nigga? Why you on hush mode, dumbass nigga? Start talking, dumbass nigga. Talking all this shit, dumbass bitch. You've been playing the game for months and you're still Iron 3. I got higher placements than you when I've been playing the game for 5 days, dumbass nigga. Shut the fuck up, dumbass. You're Iron 3, I'm Bronze 1, and you're told this shit when you got Iron 3 in your placements? You're fucking garbage, big body built ass bitch. Fuck up, nigga.
Hi, you really taking that? Damn,
I'm clipping this.
quiet, nigga.
Hush mode, hush mode, hush mode, hush mode. Where'd that energy go, nigga? Where'd that energy go? Tell me where that energy went.
Nigga.
Kai.
Fat nigga, fat neck ass nigga, fat neck ass nigga, dumbass nigga, fat neck ass nigga, fuck up dumbass
Not
bitch.
worried about your bum ass.
Fat neck ass nigga, fat neck ass nigga, fuck up bitch. You're trash at Val, dumbass bitch. You're fucking garbage. Hop on ripcord right now, then talk your shit, dumbass nigga. A person on a wheelchair trying to take a piss has better aim than your Val aim, dumbass nigga. Fuck up, dumbass bitch. You're trash.
Actually good.
I'm
Damn.
clipping that. I'm
You're getting
clipping
body
all that
slammed.
and I'm posting on YouTube.
Damn.
I'm posting on YouTube. I don't give a fuck.
Kai had so much energy. As soon as Chaos